Hello, this is Decimal, and this is a quick PSA for anyone who has the KO coming in the mail. Do not put your slider button on the slider. A lot of people are experiencing issues. You might know that I also have this issue as well. The video I made is currently getting a decent amount of views, so you might have seen that video already. Just do not put the slider, just leave it bare. It doesn't fit on exactly properly. It doesn't slip on smoothly, so you have to use a bit of force to get it down, and we suspect that this may be the issue. I did hear from someone else that it could happen from shipping. This is reportedly from TE. They're saying that this might be a shipping issue. So regardless, just keep the slider away from everything. Just don't use a lot of force with it. Do not put the slider button on. I just want to get this video out to save more people from having to return the unit like what I have to do. So anyways, I have more videos that are coming out of sliderless videos, I guess you can say. So stay tuned, more jams, and I got some very interesting stuff in the works. So thank you very much for watching. Peace out.